Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 4th. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video I am going to cover your second chapter. So not further delay, take out your book and open page number 90. Book exercise of second chapter. Your first exercise is take the correct answer. Biting teeth are also called incisors. B. Food that is good for teeth are carrots. C. Acids produced by bacteria eat away the enamel. D. The hardest part of a tooth is enamel. E. Number of teeth in a temporary set are 20. Now come on, fill in the blanks. First question, the yellow sticky layer found on the teeth is called plaque, P-L-A-Q-U-E. B. A dental floss should be used to remove food stuck between the teeth. C. The pulp is soft and has a supply of nerve and blood vessels. D. Cavity is a hole in the tooth. E. The neck lies between the tooth and crown. Now come on, true and false. At last, third question. A part, when the cavity reaches the soft pulp, we have a toothache. So it is true. Here you have to write TRUE. True. Okay, now come on next page. Here, crown is the visible part of the tooth. True. C. Bacteria grow the fastest on salty food. False. D. A child cuts her first tooth at the age of 1. False. E. Teeth are fixed in the soft gums. True. Now next exercise here, label the different parts. You can see here, this is enamel, this is dentine, and this is pulp. Here these are canines, molars, premolars and incisors. Now come on, question answers. Now first of all, do this page number 21. Follow the correct method of using brush teeth and do take care of your teeth. Tick. What do? Brush your teeth twice a day. Tick. Use dental floss. Tick. Clean your tongue. Tick. Eat lots of sweets. Wrong. Use a pin to clean your teeth. Wrong. Now come on, question answers. Here it is on page number 20. Question is on page number 20 and your first answer is here. Student, you can take a screenshot to write all these answers. Your first question is, why the teeth important to us? Teeth are important to us because they help us to chew our food, speak clearly and give shape to our mouth, our face. Now second question, how are incisors different from canine? Incisors are chisel shaped teeth and help to bite and cut food, while canines are sharp and pointed and are used to tear the flesh. Now come on, third answer. How are milk teeth different from permanent teeth? Milk teeth are different teeth. Milk teeth are the temporary teeth which arises first after the birth and are 20 in number, whereas permanent teeth arises after the milk teeth and are 32 in number. Now fourth question, what is a cavity formed? How is a cavity formed? Acid present in the mouth dissolves the enamel, creating hole called cavity. So this is the way in which cavity is formed in our mouth. Now next question, fifth. What kind of food should you eat to keep your teeth and gums healthy? The answer is, we should eat fruits and salads to keep our teeth and gums healthy. Now come on, next question, sixth question. List 3 ways to take care of your tooth. 3 ways to take care of your teeth are, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Second, we should eat healthy food. Third, we should visit a dentist for regular checkups. Now seventh question, name the 3 layers of tooth. The 3 layers of tooth are enamel, dentine, pulp. So student, these are the question answer and book exercise of lesson number 2. Your UT syllabus is over now. It is sufficient for today, and your homework is you have to write all these question answers and book exercise. Question answers you have to write in your copy, and book exercise you have to do in your book. After that you have to learn your book exercise. It is sufficient for today. Have a nice day. Take care. I will meet you in my next video with the revision of first chapter.